5 Best Bissell Vacuums. The item number 5 is Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum, a lightweight 2-inch-1 lift-away upright vacuum with a detachable canister for portable cleaning power. With the push of a button, lift-away technology allows you to lift the canister away and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. The item number 4 is Shark DuoClean Upright Vacuum, a compact 2-inch-1 lift-away upright vacuum that allows you to quickly release the canister and lift the wand to easily clean hard-to-reach above-floor areas, like blinds, ceiling fans, and counters. DuoClean technology includes a bristle brush to deep clean carpets. The item number 3 is Bissell Green Cleanview Hand, unpassed technology with powerful suction and innovative brush design. Powerful, multi-cyclonic suction system for a deep clean. Remove more embedded dirt and pet hair with the motorized brush tool and lithium-ion battery. 14 volts lithium-ion battery for lithium-powered cleaning. The item number 2 is Cleanview Bagless+Febreze filter, unpassed technology with powerful suction and innovative brush design to clean on the initial pass. Removes most surface debris based on visual test. BTPO 221 powerful, multi-cyclonic suction system for lasting suction that captures and keeps dirt in the bin, where it belongs. The item number 1 is Eureka Noi 180A Lightweight. The corded lightweight Bagless upright vacuum cleaner comes with a detachable steel hand and 3 onboard tools so that you can use it to clean ceilings, tight spots and other hard-to-reach places. This upright vacuum cleaner has 5 height adjustment settings for multi-floor cleaning. Plus,